At least once a week, I have somebody who comes into the office, and one of the first things they want to say is they want to tell us that they weren't read their rights. Most people believe that that's significant because, after all, every time you see anybody pulled over, hauled in for questioning on TV, the first thing the police always do is read them their rights. And you've heard it 1,000 times. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to talk to a lawyer. You have the right to stop the interview. Those are all rights that are called Miranda rights, and that's because the case that held that those rights must be read is a case called Miranda versus Arizona. The Supreme Court, way back years ago, in that case held that before you can be interrogated in a custodial situation, that the police have to read you your rights, and they have to tell you those things. The key part of that is that that only applies to situations where you're in custody or you're restrained and that the police are questioning you. If they're not questioning you, if they're not asking you questions, then they don't have to read you your rights. In other words, if they arrest you for something such as maybe a theft charge or an assault charge, they simply arrest you and take you to jail. They don't have to read you your rights unless they're going to question you. The remedy for not reading someone their rights isn't that you get your case dismissed. It means that anything that you tell them can't be used. So even if the police don't read your rights to you, and that's determined to be a violation, it's not going to get you out of the case. It's not going to get your case dismissed or thrown out of court. All it's going to do is get the statements that you made thrown out or an instruction that they can't be used. That may be significant, but more often than not, the police have other evidence, so you're still going to have to proceed to defend the charge against you. If you have any other questions that which you would like to have us answer, please reach out to us. You can send me an email at wmreaves@reaveslegal.com, and we'll try to answer and be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching.